another Minecraft Pocket Edition. So today, we need to get some shelters for village. And my brother is playing Minecraft now. Hello. Hello brother, what's up? Why are you playing Minecraft? Because I want to play. I want to play. Oh, back is Minecraft. don't be silly. Because this Minecraft is not just for build, it's just for fight monsters, find mining, find cave, finding mobs, find Herobrine and all things. What's the oh my god! Hey! Hey guys! Hey Jay! What? I want to play with your server. I want to join in your world. Not now. Not now, brother. I'm just making video. Okay. My brother is playing Minecraft. I didn't need join the game to my world because both I want video. Now let's get some video. Now let's get some craft work. Wait a minute, where's my for my base to build my village village? Hey village, how do you do in here? You're just seeing around the beautiful. Oh, there's no time to talking about it. Now where's my house? Oh, this is there. Now let's wait. My stone's complete. Now let's get some craft house. Let's get some craft house. There's not time to craft this stone. Now let's get some. Where's my? Oh, there it is. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Now let's... Oh, I know. Oh. Wait a minute. Where's my one? Oh, there's my one. Remember, for don't know about Minecraft, don't make wood form of lava. It's getting burned. I just warning up to the beginner of Minecraft. Hey, brother, what you're doing in Minecraft? Oh, I just building my house. See? Oh, your house is really beautiful. Really beautiful.
Yes.
Really beautiful. My brother he's building his beautiful house. Oh my gosh. Are you fighting monsters?
Yes.
Oh, your voice is. Oh, you don't want to meet the watchers. So you don't want to meet watchers.
Yes, of course.
Huh? your voice is new. You, my brother, just play Minecraft, okay? Play Minecraft now, okay?
Yes.
Why you exit Minecraft? Oh, because I don't like. I want to eat. I'm hungry. Oh, your voice is back to normal again. So let's get build house. This is the that's big. This is my video. How to my build a house. No, this is first house. Now, let's get some house. Dog, quiet. Right, quiet. Oh. Let's get command. Time stay. No. No, let's get. Oh no. One, two, three. Ouch.
But eating the food.
Huh?
But eating the food.
Oh, you don't. I don't know what you're saying. You're just You're annoying. Right? You're annoying, brother. You're annoying. You're annoying, brother. Just play in there.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys, because my brother is really annoying. But don't worry about. Kite again. You're broken again. Oh, that my second dog. So see you soon again. But I'm so hungry. Because I'm getting tired of sleep. I'm getting tired. So see you soon again. And hope you like to watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe this. See you soon.
Bye-bye.